Come on, let's go. 30k XP. This is actually my best week in abstract so far. This is goddamn cool. This is goddamn cool. Stay tuned and I will show you how I did it. So, I'm actually only top 5 of XP earners. That's very strange. I think that I should be maybe top 1, but okay, it's okay. So, what did I do? I actually got all my money in stable coins. You see now it's $30, but I put a big bet on Marriott several days ago. For this one, I put $600 now. For this total free market capitalization above this price, and I said no. And if we go back to the trading view, so we can see that I was right, because this day it was much lower. So I'm waiting until the resolution and I will take my XP. I will take my money. It should be plus maybe $40. But I was a bit nervous with this. I was checking the chart every time, and I will not do this again with all my money because it was a gambler. It was a gambling 100%. So what did it actually do for the past week? I was playing games as usual, and I got very cool in Captains and Company, one of my favorite games. And if we go to their website where you can check your XP, oh my god, so much, 62,000. That's amazing. Yo, I'm playing every day for 2, 3, 4 hours, trying to get as much loot as I can. I'm selling with absolutely great captains, and I was making a lot of clips on my Twitter account. So subscribe to my Twitter. You can check the guys that I'm playing with, and you can play with them if you are really good at. So I was telling you that one of the most important thing in abstract is that if you want to grab more XP, you need to choose several apps or games that you are good in, that you like, and spend a lot of time in them, instead of trying to play like 5, 10, 15 minutes in all the games we have in abstract. And I choose the strategy to be good at some apps. So I am top 333 on leaderboard in Captain Company. By the way, they will have a huge update soon, until the end of this week, and they will have a TGE, and we will have a lot new things inside this game. And it's really fun. It's really fun game. I like to play it. I like to speak with the people, to talk. Sometimes it's nervous, but honestly, it's worth it. It's really worth it. So I think one of the things that why I'm so good at this week is because I rank up so high in Captains and Company. The other game I was playing a lot is 77-bit, who is actually again log out. It's logging out every time you don't use this website for more than, 30 minutes and so on. So there's the beta now, and I was telling you about the 77-bit tones of the time, and now actually it's open for everyone. I think they will close next Monday. And so the reason why I'm playing, I like the idea, I like the cyberpunk theme, and top 5k players in 77-bit will get a quantum core, and this gives the players, top 5k players, the ability to mint NFT lands of 77-bit. And so if you have this fire around your avatar, you are top 5k players, and I am top 5k players, and I love it. yeah, so my goal is to get 1 million bytes. Here I have now 900,000. I'm very close. I'm trying to play Beat 77 every day. Well, actually, I complete all the battle pass for 100%. I upgrade my weapon a bit. I tried to close and complete all the quests that we have in game, but some of them are bugged, so you cannot complete them. Some of them I don't understand how to do, but this is the game that I'm spend time on. Actually, one maximum 2 hours a day. But before I complete the battle pass 100%, I was playing it more. So this is actually another reason why I get so much XP and why I am so high. And the last game I'm really playing every day, it's Gigaverse. I was showing you this game 1,000 times or maybe 1 million times, and I have some tutorial gameplay on my Twitter account, a short one, but this game is like really very easy. Let's turn out the sound. And yeah, so this is why I am get so much XP. Another thing that I want to tell you, if you go to my Twitter account here and you go a little bit deeper here, you see that I have the reply from this beautiful guy Deborah. He made a clip. Here's the fin. Here it is. This is the founder of Abstract, and he was talking about XP, and so I write here some tags, some things about what he said, like long story short. And I was telling you already that without having a lot of money on your account on Abstract Wallet, you can still be on top. So I don't have really a lot of money, so $600 is not so much. I don't have any top NFTs. We can check it if you go to the Magic Eden, go to Abstract. You see here, I don't have none of them. Maybe Dooley, I have some Dooley stickers that I get from Doubler. But no Gigaverse, no Bearish, no CH, no Captain's Company Ship, no Captain's Company Skellies, no Rui, no Kana Sapiens, no Abstract Dogs, no Cap, nothing. I have nothing of this, really. But if the prices will still go down, you see that markets now are going down. I don't know where will be the bottom. I think that I will buy some NFTs when it will be on the bottom. That's why I swapped all my Ethereum to USDC, and actually it was a good decision for me. So let's get back to the earning XP, and yeah, this is my best week so far. I have 16 badges. There are some badges that are very expensive, like Gacha and OCH. Also, there are some hidden badges with Clipper and Thread. I'm trying now to get Clipper badge. You need to make clips. If you want, I will make a short post or short video about this. And also, I just read it like today that there's a new badge for thread. If you make a long thread about Abstract, and if it's have a lot of views and reactions, then you will get the role. I have some threads, but they're not very popular, so I think because of this I didn't get the role. But others you can get real easy. Here's like the Captain and Company badge. I have a short tutorial here pinned on my Twitter account. And so, okay guys, this was the idea, and I really like it that my state of mind and the things that I'm thinking about, like how to get more XP, on Abstract. Do I need to have a lot of money? Do I need to spend a lot of money on memes? And yeah, well, actually meme coins give you a lot of, it's like a multiplier. Top NFT collections is a multiplier. Liquidity providing is multiplier. But if you don't have this amount of money to be good at liquidity providing, at buying meme coins for a lot, NFTs, you can still play games, be good at some games, and get to the top. And I was talking about it like several weeks ago, maybe a month ago, and you see that my ideas are correct. I'm thinking in correct way, so that's pretty awesome. That's pretty amazing. Okay, so I just tell you all the things that I was doing for. Oh, there's one more thing that I was doing. Let me do this. Okay, so we have a Dooley, this website. I was showing you the 1,000 times of this. If you go here, I will leave my referral link. You need to connect to this site with the Abstract wallet. You need to have USDC on your Abstract wallet to buy something here. Well, actually, you press on this diamond, and then you can spin to get diamonds and to be in the top of to get higher in the leaderboard. And we have a double here. And they change it because before it was like, oh yeah, here's a different double, so they upgraded. Yesterday it was the other UI where you can buy it's like a double machine where you get something you can buy for $15, $50, and for $3. You're doing like this, you choose one of this, and then you get to the page, double for $3. You can also like burn your diamonds, and then I want to burn my diamonds. I have enough. Okay. And with this, your payment will be less. So spin with Dooley, confirm one spin. Now we need to send a transaction inside Abstract wallet. We're waiting. We're still waiting. Chill vibes, I like chill vibes. Okay, let's go double. What will you give me now? So it's the animation is pretty cool. Claim item. I always claim it because I think later the prices. I don't think they're unlimited. They have a limited amount of the stickers and so on, and so I think later the price should go higher, and that's why I'm holding them. Yeah. For the past week, I think I was doing this double machine for 2, 3, maybe 4 times. But okay, my main target is Captains and Company. You see, yeah, show you again on the top of the leaderboard, and I'm trying to get higher. Actually, I want to get top 100 until the TGE, and playing a little bit of 77-bit now. So my main target is Captains and Company. So choose the app, the game that you like, see if there's any leaderboard, and try to get as much high as you can. That's it. That's the answer for your question, how to get much XP inside Abstract. So thanks for this video, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can go to my Twitter account, ask questions there. You can also write it in the comments below. And what else? If you have some questions, you can go to Abstract Discord and in general chat, ask questions there. Maybe I will answer you. And so yeah, this is it. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Have a good life. Have a good night. Goodbye.